Step into a stylish student sanctuary at 931 in Gainesville, where resort-style amenities and sleek design blend seamlessly into one elevated living experience. Choose from a wide range of studios and 1 to 5 bedroom apartments, each featuring wood-style flooring and an in-home washer and dryer, offering the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. The community is loaded with perks, including a 24-hour fitness center, wellness spa with sauna and steam room, resort-style pool, and a club room with gaming lounge. Also get access to the exclusive coffee and breakfast bar, secure bike storage, and on-call maintenance. Oh, and the water, sewer, and high-speed internet utilities are included in your rent for your ultimate convenience. You'll be just a short distance from the University of Florida Human Resources and the University of Florida College of Education. Transit is seamless with the eastbound Union Road at Nearside Southwest 13th Street bus stop and Waldo train station located nearby, ideal for exploring the town. So, unlock your stay at 931 in Gainesville today and redefine student living by booking via amberstudent.com.